Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite comes with a USB cable within the box. Let's lift the top lid and see if there is a USB-C cable or any USB cable inside. This is the tablet. Let's put it aside, and you can see this box as well as a Galaxy Pencil. Let's see what's inside this box. Here is the SD card tray remover, and we can take out the USB-C on both ends cable. See, USB-C to USB-C, and there are quick start guides and warranty cards as well. And that's all inside the box. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.